Hey guys, so I just got my set here of Dino birthday dishes and cups and silverware. And so this is perfect. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys everything it comes with. So these are what the cups look like. So they got this little happy birthday on them. I love it, especially if your kid likes dinosaurs or you just like dinosaurs. These are perfect, and they're these little mini kind of cups, and they say happy birthday on them. We got the forks. We got a set of forks, the knives, and then spoons as well, and they're cool, you know, light green color, so that's cool. Plus, we got these sweet napkins too. They say happy birthday on them. And then the coolest part, we have plates. We've got the mini plates here, and then we got the bigger ones that say happy birthday on them. So they're all matching, and it's a sweet set with everything at your kid's party or whoever's party it is. You got the cool utensils, you got the cool plates, you got the cool cups, and you get the cool napkins. So this is perfect, and I like it, and I will definitely be using this for one of my kids' birthdays. So I give it a thumbs up.